Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making the actual bokeh mask. Cut black paper to fit your lens now, not later. Once done, punch shapes with a 1/2-1 round or creative cutter and tape the template securely to the front of your lens. Make sure to set your camera to the widest aperture available and switch to manual focus. This forces out-of-focus highlights into the shape of your holes. This first step creates the optical basis, so do it carefully and cleanly. Once your mask is on, you compose. Place bright points or string lights behind your subject to act as bokeh sources and move them to vary density. You then switch to live view and slowly defocus until the highlights take the punch shape. This is the trick. Make sure to vary subject to camera and light to subject distances. Closer subject means larger blur, farther lights mean crisper shapes. If needed, tweak aperture and ISO to balance exposure without changing the bokeh shape. To finish, lock focus on your subject and use a remote or two's timer to eliminate camera shake. Bracket exposures to capture the best tonality. Once done, if edges are too hard, slightly soften the whole edges or add a thin diffuser over the mask to taste. If shapes appear dim, vignetted, or uneven, check that the mask is centered and taped flat, confirm the widest aperture, and move the lights. Those corrections solve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.